Hi everyone, my name is Krish and I am the founder of an organisation called Tales to Inspire. We help share the stories of real life people to inspire real life change and to raise awareness on so many different areas. However, last year we had the opportunity of working with your students, and the students that we work with were incredible, mostly from year 2 and year 3. But the aim with Ysgol Ffynnon is what we did was with working with these young children to uncover their own life stories. Initially, Tales to Inspire came in and delivered a kindness and storytelling workshop. And then the school actually identified a certain amount of young people for us to uncover their stories. We worked with both classes to do a storytelling workshop, and then we went into the interview stage where we uncovered those stories. Now, it was really, really special. And some of the stories that some of the young people actually shared were things that we didn't know, that the teachers didn't know, and also their fellow friends and family members may not have known, but was so inspiring. So I hope you enjoy the stories that have been shared. It's an incredible, incredible project and something that we truly feel that the school, ourselves, and all of the students have worked incredibly hard on. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoy.
My name is Evie Grace, and I am 7 years old. I was born in Chester, in England. I have a mum, a dad, and an 11-year-old sister, and a little sister who is 1 year old. My dad has his own business, and my mum cooks. She cooks the best pasta. My favourite dessert is chocolate cake, but we don't have it very often. My dad is a superhero. He took me to go I'm not scared of heights, so I can climb really high. I like going on my daddy-daughter days because Dad chooses where we go for the day. I have been to the arcade with him. When I am older, I want to be a spy and run my own business. I could spy on strangers and keep it secret from everyone. I would have a carpet cleaning business just like my dad. My name is Rosie Olivia, and I am 6. I have a mum and dad and little brother. My mum braids my hair and my dad looks after my brother. I like my mum because she does my hair, and I get excited when my mummy says it is pizza for dinner. I am already helping the planet by choosing to walk to school and started off going in car. As a family, we like to go out shopping for shoes. We have a dog. Our dog is called Louis, and he is a French bulldog.
My name is Abel. I'm 8 years old. I was born in Hungary. I can speak Welsh and Russian and Hungarian. When we were coming from Hungary to Wales, we went on an aeroplane, and I was scared it was going to crash. Everything in Hungary is different. In my house, there's my mom, dad, uncle, and grandma. I like my dad because he plays video games with me. I like my mom because she loves me. We have a cat at home. It's orange, white, and black. My favorite animal is a penguin because they're cute. I like the small ones, and I have 2 plushies. I was proud of myself when I got an award from my teacher for trying my best. I like math. It's easy. To make school better, I will bring in penguins.
Hi, my name is Adam. I am in year 3. I was born in Shotton, but my family are from Hungary. I can speak Hungarian and talk in Hungarian with my mom and dad. And in my family, there is my mum, dad, and I have 2 grandmas, but they live in heaven now. My grandma is in Romania right now, but she will be coming to Wales soon. I like my mum because she cleans my Nintendo for me and cooks good food. I like pepperoni pizza, macaroni, chocolate cake, and chocolate ice cream. I like my dad because he takes good care of our dog. My grandma is very nice, especially because she lets me play on my Nintendo for 3 hours. And we also have a cat. When I get older, I would like to be a YouTuber. I want to get a gold and silver play button because they are real gold and silver. I want to get 1 million subscribers.
I'm Cody and I'm 7 years old. I have my own bedroom and I keep it tidy. I play with Garfield and Hello Kitty. They ate a lot of meat. Snow leopard ate a lot of meat. I like the teachers at school. I play with my friends. I like books and reading. My favourite book is Come and Join the Fun Squad. It's all about having fun. I love having fun.
I am kind because I try to help friends with everyone in school. I would say everyone in school is my best friend. I always try to help everyone. If they fall over, I will help them get back up. Even though I like everything in school, I would improve it by allowing dogs and pets to class. Also, to help the world, I think we should make sure no one abandons their dog because it is unfair. I would make sure every dog has a home and that everyone picks up their rubbish.
I am Sebastian. I am in year 2. In my family is my mum, my dad, my brother, my sister, and me. I like to kiss my brother. I like to share my room with my sister. When my mum has my baby sister, I helped her to bring in the nappies. I like my mum. My mum lets me to choose from the shop. My dad works on a river. On the weekend, we visit the beach. I like swimming in the sea. I like to go in the park and play with my friends. I do my homework on a weekend. I've been with a helicopter with my dad. It was so loud. My sister was too scared to go, but I was brave. Summer is my favorite season. Because it's warm, I can go outside. I got to have ice cream in the summertime. My favorite fruit is pizza, green apples and oranges. I am allowed to drink cola. It makes me happy.
My name is Silly Pip and I am 7. I am in year 2. My favourite things to do are sleeping and swimming. We go swimming on the weekend. I like playing Barbies and on the Xbox. I play Disney Rush, Minecraft, and Disney World too. I like eating sugar waffles, chocolate waffles, and pasta and Hula Hoops too. In my family, there is me, my sister, and Mum and Dad. My cousins Megan, Billy, and Ruby, and my nanny and granddad. My family helps me a lot. My mum works in the school, which makes me feel happy and safe. He also paints people's nails. My dad has a really important job, but he has a poorly back at the moment. My sister is mostly funny. We used to have a rabbit called Poppy, but now we just have a cat called Luna. Luna is cute and loves cuddles. To help our planet, we shouldn't be mean, and we shouldn't throw away things that can be reused. When I grow up, I want to try everything. I am Christian and I am in year 3. I like being in year 3 and I enjoy coming to school. My favorite lesson is maths. I struggled with my writing, but now I learned how to write better. I have written 5 poems since being in year 3. To improve school, I would bring asked to bring in my dog and brother. I wouldn't bring in my Xbox because learning is more important than gaming. When I was 3, I began to play football. I love it. I support Liverpool Football Club. My favourite player is Dominic Soboslai because he is from my country, Hungary. I went to Anfield Stadium football, Liverpool versus Manchester City game. I love the football songs, especially You'll Never Walk Alone. I play in a team on Wednesday after school. We get really muddy when we play in the rain. I have already earned 5 trophies as a goalkeeper. I have saved lots of penalties. I felt proud of myself when I won the trophy. I've been keeping a secret from lots of people. I have a secret identity. I am a superhero. My name is Craftman. I have a suit made out of cardboard. When I'm living as Craftman, I like building things out of cardboard and plastic. I've made a chair, treasure chest, and a holder for my switch. To make the treasure chest, I use an old shoebox. The proudest thing I've ever done is making all my crafts.
My name is Penny and I'm 7 years old. And I'm 7. My favorite animal is a panda. When we went to Chester Zoo, I enjoyed seeing all the animals and having lunch there. I wanted to stroke one of the lions. I was proud of myself when I did the Harvest Festival. I drew a picture and I showed it to all of the parents. Outside school, I do gymnastics, ballet. Soon I am going to be a cheerleader class and a brownie to help people tidying. The kindest thing someone has ever done is helping me with my maths. Seeing all my friends at school to make me better, I would like cheerleading club and a swimming pool in class. We had to pick the best singer. Everyone had to had to sing by myself in front of the class. I was given a medal that had made me proud. When I grow up, I want to be a vet so I can see all the animals and figure out why they are sick. To make the world better, I think we should put rubbish because it's dirty and animals can eat it. Hello, I'm Sonia Maria. I am 7 years old. I'm going to have a birthday party when I turn 8. I was born in Romania, but I live in Wales now. I went to school in Romania. My granddad would carry me all the way to school. Sometimes it would rain the whole way. My grandma and granddad still live in Romania. They have a dog called Rex. He is not friendly at all. He bites everyone. I live with my mom and dad. We speak Romanian at home. I would like to have a Labrador. At home, I like playing with my doll house. It's huge and it has so many windows. I haven't counted how many dolls I have, but I know it is a lot. I also have some video games on my phone. I have horse riding game. I can choose one of my favorite animals. I love cats, dogs, and horses equally.
We have a middle-sized back garden. Last year, when it snowed, I built a snowman. That's what I like about Christmas time. I like the snow, drinking hot cocoa, and receiving presents. One time I went on a Polar Express train and I had the best cocoa of my life. We stopped at the North Pole and I met Santa.
My name is Tegan Libby Roberts and I am 7 years old. I am in year 3, which is I like because we get to do new things with different teachers. This year I went on a family holiday to Ibiza, and last year I went to Mallorca. We stayed in a hotel. We are going on a holiday again soon with our friends from Northampton, who we met in Ibiza. My favourite thing about being on holiday is being able to play in the pool every day and watching the sunset. We went a couple of days before my mum and dad's anniversary, which is nice. A couple of weeks ago, we visited our friends Northampton, which took so long to get to, but I slept on an air mattress. One day I want to go to Mexico so I can wrap up like a burrito. When I am older, I want to be a teacher because I can do whatever I want. I would sit on a sofa and chillax. To take care of our planet, I would go to Africa and give the people who are starving some food. I would give them some joy and happiness to brighten their day.
I am Alicia, I am 7, and I live 10 minutes away from school in Wales. I live with my mum, dad, older brother, and 2 French bulldogs. I like my dad because he lets me play on the Xbox. His Xbox and I like my mum because she buys me things. At the moment, I love my brother, but I don't like him. I like doing school things, but I wish it was for 3 hours a day instead of 6. If I could improve school, I would make it so that we are allowed to wear pajamas. My mum could come into school and have more homework. Around 6 months ago, we went on a family holiday to Turkey. We flew on an aeroplane, but I wasn't scared at all. I liked the view of the sky. We played in the pool and we went on slides. There was a big white one that looked scary, but I still went on it. The food was very nice, particularly the waffles. They were the best. When I am older, I want to drive an ice cream truck, give ice cream to people. I want to be a hairdresser, a makeup artist, and a nail technician too. It would be cool if I could cut people's hair and give them ice cream at the same time. I have a doll that I practice doing hair and makeup on, but I need to practice doing more nails as I am not good at it yet.
My name is Braden. I like watching YouTube and going to the park. I got with my nanny and granddad. My favourite foods are chocolate ice cream and popcorn. I live with my dad, mum, and sister. Our dog Luna. Luna is a chocolate Labrador. She is 7 months old and she barks in the middle of the night, and I take her for walks every day. My field near my nanny's house every day. My nanny has a dog called Sadie. If I could, I would have 5 dogs and 1 cat. When I am older, I want to be an engineer just like my dad. He fixes machines and is very clever. I'd like to try be a quad biker, YouTuber, footballer, or an Olympic swimmer. I'd go to swimming lesson on a Monday, so that will be easy.
I am Darren. I've been born in Wales. In my family is my mum,
Dad, Mario, and Dominic, and me. My nanny don't live with us, but she's traveling from Romania to see us. My parents is from Romania, then I can speak Romanian. On the weekend, I like to sleep. I'm sharing my bedroom with Mario. My bedroom is big, but my mom is tidying for me. I was playing Jenga with Mario, but I died, but I didn't care. I learned I was good at building things. I've been to Romania 4 times. I got family there. I have my grandpa and my nanny. The weather can be snowy, hot, and rainy. Some people in Romania are not nice, but some people are nice. When we went to Romania, we traveled with an aeroplane. This is when I figured out what I want to be when I'm older. I want to be a pilot to bring people across the road. If I got bored of air, I would drive double-decker bus. But for now, I will focus on school. I like singing practice in school. I will change school to have more so-and-so time. Have pizza all day. I would like a music machine. For now, if everybody says please, hopefully Miss Gosmere will let us.
I, Brooklyn, and I am in year 2. I live in Shotton. I like everything except playing hide and seek. Last year I playing tennis, but I need more practice to be better at Sporting Liverpool Football Club. And I like playing football. I like burgers with cheese and except broccoli. I drink lots of water, but when I have a milkshake, I like strawberry the best. I like playing with Lego, so if I could change school, it would be to have more. I find maths very tricky, especially counting to 100. I try really hard to be better. When I'm older, I want to be a teacher at school because you can get too tricky on learning to make the world a better place. I think we should be kind to animals and put our litter in the bin. I am kind every day and try to smile at everyone.
I am Elsie and I am 7 years old. My birthday is April 15. One day I will be a fairy and a swimmer. I am working being a swimmer by going to my swimming lessons on Tuesday. I am hoping that when I go on holiday to Turkey next year that the pool will be warm. I have been to Haven and swam in the pools. There was a black slide that had lights on the inside. I am looking forward to going to Turkey because there are lots of slides there too. I am Maya Brooke and I am 8. My first memory was of my first birthday. I remember having lots of fun and being very messy. We ate cake too. For my last birthday, we went to Drayton Manor. We went on lots of scary rides so many times. I was not scared at all. I was also given lots of presents. My favourite present was my leotard from my auntie. In my family, there is my mum, my dad, my little brother, and our cat. I have been on lots of holidays with my family. We've been to Turkey, Bulgaria, and Portugal. My favourite place was called Portugal because we went swimming and tried lots of new foods. I was happy that my auntie came. I enjoyed going on the bus at night and all of the rides. I would like to go to America and Australia one day. I'd like to see the coral reef in Australia and all of the different states in America. I am becoming really good at football because I have good coaches who have been teaching me lots of new tactics. I have been playing football for 2 years and I play for a club. I don't have a favourite player, but I support Liverpool Football Club. I like learning new things in school, specifically writing, reading and maths. To improve school, I buy a trampoline and a swimming pool. At home, I write stories. I like writing stories about adventures. I want to be an author when I grow up.
My name is Mia Rose Williams and I am 8. I like to bake and I like eating cake. We went on holiday to Morocco and ate lots of nice cakes there and did lots of swimming. I really like swimming because I learn lots of things, especially diving. I'm pretty good at diving. In school, I like maths because I like being able to do hard sums. One thing I really like about being in year 3 is being able to sit at a desk and not on the floor. If I could add anything to school, it would be to sleep during the day, napping in the book corner. I really like Christmas and enjoying decorating. I put up a tree in my room and we have a big one too. I put a little teddy at the top of my Christmas tree and my elf. I like going to the Christmas markets in Chester and watching Christmas films like Elf. The kindest thing I've ever done for someone is telling them that I like their work. It was Ruby, and I told her she has nice writing. The kindest thing someone's ever done for me is telling me I'm kind. I like to look after my friends when they're sad or fall over. My name is Dylan Robert Price and I'm 6 years old. I enjoyed being in year 2 because we do lots of fun. We get to do fun work. My favourite foods are bananas and apples and carrot, but I don't like lemons. Michael is my best friend in school. He invites me to his house to play FIFA on his PlayStation. I like playing football and I support Wrexham Football Club. I went to the stadium with my dad. We got to see lots of goals. My favourite player is Mullin because he helped us win 6-0 by scoring 3 goals. I'm proud of myself when I score goals, lots of goals in football. I can play in any position and I have won 3 medals and 2 trophies. Sometimes we lose, but I have learned to never give up when I am not playing. I enjoy watching television. My favourite movie is The Grinch.
My name is Ella Ali and I'm 7 years old. It's my mum and dad. It's mum, dad, my little brother, and he's 4 years old. I'm Ella Ali and I like water and pancakes. My mum and dad works really hard. My mum and dad work in the car wash together. I speak Arabic with my mum and dad. My favorite color is orange. On the weekend, I watch Bluey. Alex Summerdas is the best. I like being warm. I don't like being cold. I like to make snowman. I like to make snowman when it's warm. I make a so small one. We use a carrot for his nose. When I grow up, I want to be a high school teacher. I teach everything.
I'm Jelena and I made an interesting fact about me
is that I can speak Romanian. That's because I was born in Romania. I still have family there, so I get to go on an airplane and visit sometimes. I like to go on trips, and two I've enjoyed are Chester Zoo with my family and the beach with my class. I've been to Chester Zoo twice actually. This first time I saw these tiny sharks, and when I went back they were much bigger. I love animals, and my favourite is rabbits. I've not quite decided what I want to be when I'm older, but I've got big aspirations. I either want to be a sorcerer, like Harry Potter, I love Harry Potter, or maybe I'll be a basketball player. I've also been thinking about being a movie star too. I'm a very caring person. I care a lot about the planet, and I care about my family, especially my baby sister. We all look about my baby sister, and we all have to be kind.
My name is Kayla and I am 7. My birthday is the 10th of November. On my birthday, I played with my toys. We had a Princess Peach cake and all my school friends came to Whiz Kids. I have made some great memories, like when I went on a family trip to Legoland with my mum, Auntie Mel and cousin Jake. There was a pirate name. I have been on a bus to Chester with school. We went to Chester Zoo. My favourite animal there was the capybara. When I am older, I want to be a vet because I like helping animals. So I also want to be a teacher because they are fun. Miss Edwards is kind, so she is my favourite teacher. To make the world a better place, I think we should pick up more litter and should help animals more. To make people happier, we should make things not as expensive.
I'm 4. I am 7. I live with my mum, Kelly, dad, Jamie, and my sister, Freya. My earliest memory was when I was 2. My dog Minnie died, but it was very sad. But one of the nicest gifts I've ever got was when my sister got me a teddy bear that looked like Minnie for Christmas. That was so kind. I don't have any pets now, but I would like a dog, a rabbit, or a gecko. At home, I like to draw and write a journal about my day and feelings. I started writing and then I kept thinking about my day. I kept writing and writing and writing. It helps me relax. I play football with my dad in the park. I support Liverpool, and my funniest memory was when my dad went to try to do a front flip on a trampoline and he fell off.
I'm Jessica. I'm in year 2. I love reading books like The Secret Garden and pony books. I like playing on the trim trails and on my trampoline at home. My favourite food are chocolate, watermelon, strawberries, grapes and blueberries. I like football and I go to karate with my brother. We are both yellow striped. I have many friends. My best friend is Rosie. My friends make me feel loved and always play with me. I like playing in the snow. One time we made a huge snowman. My dad had to pick me up so I could reach to put the eyes on it. In school, I like maths and nothing else. I play football. I have won one medal playing. When I grow up, I want to be to do trampoline for my job.
My name is Logan. I am 8. In school, I like math and play outside with my friend. My best friend is Bobby, and
also part of the cool show channel that is really cool because you get to make big decisions about what happened in school. I also like playing football in school. I'm the goalkeeper and I'm really good. Outside of school, I play even more football. Next time for a local team called the Jaggers. Even got a gold medal once for playing football, which I was really proud of. When I'm not playing football, I like watching football on the TV, and the team I support is Liverpool. Mo Salah is my favourite player. I love to go to watch a match one day and then play for Liverpool when I'm older.